So Dhanush, Shamita, tell us something about your character. What exactly it is all about?
Well, I actually don't have the liberty to say what my character is about. My character is very close to the script. If I say anything about my character, I'll be revealing about the story of the film. And this film is about ego clash, and the concept might sound serious, but it's a very fun-filled film, and there's amazing humor in this film, and it's a new concept, it's a fresh concept, and hopefully it'll be a refreshing experience for the audience.
So how does it feel sharing a screen space with the legend of Bollywood, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan?
Well, it's an honor. It's a true honor to have shared screen space with the great Amit ji, and I looked at it as an opportunity to learn from the best. And during the shooting time, I really tried to observe as much as possible from him, learn as much as possible from him, and it's just not enough. There's so much that we could learn from him, and he always made sure we were comfortable on sets, and it was an amazing experience working with him. So fascinating.
Okay. Dhanush, there are back-to-back films coming up, Shamita as well as a film in the South. So was it difficult for you to change it every time or trying something different with every film?
It's more than me, the makers. It's their hard work. They collect all the data. They try really hard to show me differently in every film. I just go there and follow their instructions. All credits go to the makers of the film.
Okay. You didn't said something about your character, but we have heard that you are going to play a ticket collector, as like that of Rajinikanth when he used to do in his old days. So something like that in the film.
I really don't know where all these stories come from, but the lesser you know, the better for you to watch the film. It'll be a very refreshing experience, and for that you have to know very little about the film. So hopefully you'll all go through what we intend you guys to go through.
Okay. Akshara is in the film. Tell us something about your chemistry with Akshara in the film.
Well, the film revolves around these three characters, and it's important for these three characters to have good chemistry between each other. And of course, there was Balki sir to guide all of us. And Akshara, there's no way you will find her as a newcomer. And when you watch the film, you'll know that she's done a very convincing job.
Okay, your single Vice Kolavadi, he was one of the hit of international markets. So is there more singles you can?
Well, I'm an actor. I'm not a singer, and that's just something that just happened by itself, and it went on its own. And there's no way I can create what happened already. But I don't mind singing in the future. But right now, my focus is on February 6th, Shamitabh release.
What would you like to tell your audience about Shamitabh, your fans?
Well, thank you so much for all the love and respect. Thank you so much for all the unconditional love and encouragement. And thank you the way you guys have received me during Ranjana. Thank you for such a warm reception. And we've really worked hard for this film. We've really tried to give our best. And it's a new concept, it's a new story. And we all hope it'll be a new refreshing experience for all of you. So please do watch it in theaters, February 6th, Shamitabh.
Thank you so much.